Today we talk about how can you start diagnosis on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on diagnose network, and you just click here on start diagnosis here. When you just click on it, then here it's going to start with you like you see here on your NovelTown app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.